In the previous video, we understood what n8n is and why it's so powerful for automation. In this video, we will take the first real step, logging into n8n and exploring its interface. I will show you where everything is, how the dashboard works, and what each main section actually does. If you are completely new, don't worry, this overview will make n8n feel simple and beginner friendly. Let's log in and get started. Let's dive right in. First, we will open up Google search. Now type in n8n and hit enter to find this powerful automation platform. Perfect. Click on the first result n8n workflow automation to get started. Once the page loads, look for the bright Get Started button in the top right corner and give it a click. Time to create your account, fill in your details, first name, last name, email, and choose a secure password. Go ahead and check that box to stay updated with n8n latest features and improvements. Awesome. Now click Start Free 14 Days Trial to unlock the full power of n8n. When asked about company size, select only one and click OK. For the team question, choose Other or type NA and hit OK to move forward. Same deal for company description, select Other, enter NA, Not Applicable and click OK. Now select Configuring API Authentication as your interest and click OK. For how you heard about n8n, choose Other, type Not Applicable or NA and click OK one more time. Let's skip the team invitation for now. Just click Skip to continue. Click Start Automating to enter your n8n workspace. Here, where the magic begins, click the Start from Scratch tile to create your first workflow. Now let's explore the interface. Navigate to the side menu on the left. Click on Credentials. This is where you will manage your all APIs, connections, and authentication. Next up, click on Executions to see your workflow history and performance. Now, check out Data Tables, a great feature for organizing and storing data. Head down to the bottom left corner and click Admin Panel to access advanced settings of your workflows. Click on Templates in the sidebar to discover pre-built workflows. Let's filter by category. Click the AI category to explore AI-powered automation templates. Now try Sales category filter to see sales-focused workflows. Want something specific? Type Business Automation in the template search bar to narrow things down. Let's refine our search. Clear that and type Sales to find sales automation templates. Now click on Insights in the sidebar to view analytics and workflow performance metrics. Need assistance? Click on Help in the sidebar for documentation and support resources. Let's check out the settings. Click the Manage or Settings tab at the top center of the screen. Click on Billing to review your subscription details and payment information. That's it. You are all set to start building a powerful automations with n8n. So that was a quick login and complete overview of the n8n interface. Now you know where workflows, nodes, and settings live. In the next video, we will start creating our first automation step by step. This is PcomLap. Enjoy and learn. And remember, tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.